I am always thinking about how to get out of my comfort zone. But I have discovered that by doing YouTube and learning what gets people to what I do, and therefore ends up inviting them psychologically to come into my inbox and start a conversation. So guys, it does work, but it's going to take time. Yes, maybe you will have to resort to other things that are going to require you to get out of your comfort zone. So you're going to have to talk to a lot more people on a one-on-one basis. You're going to have to bear the brunt, the fact that you're going to be abused, you're going to be kicked psychologically, people are going to say no to you. Yes, people are going to block you, people are going to ignore you, and yes, you will have to talk to a lot of people in order to get a few yeses. And those yeses will initially be free tour takers, and then you have to follow up with those tour takers. Keep talking to those tour takers. Be personal. Don't just rely on the autoresponder, because people know that they're on an autoresponder and they just ignore them. So you need to mix in the importance of you talking to people, and then you're going to get people on board. There's a guy, network marketer, back in the early, I don't know, 60s, 70s, 80s in Amway. His name is Bill Britt. Many of you who I'm talking about, he had to get with literally tens of thousands of people. I'm not talking about the modern day kind of network marketing. I'm talking about the old school network marketing, talking to people on the telephone, thousands of people. And out of those thousands of people showed the plan. Some of them decided to actually build it to a certain point in the business, maybe just to earn like a couple of $100s a month. But out of those people who did decide to build a business, but then eventually quit, some of them decided to actually go on and build a leadership rank. And out of those people who actually built a leadership rank, some of those people decided to build it to all the way. And like, we're talking like out of 10,000 people that he spoke to on the telephone over the 4, 5, 6, 10 years that got him to a millionaire, 6 people, whatever, 6 or 7 or 8 people made him a millionaire. And that's how it is. You don't need thousands of people that are going to get you to that point. But yes, you probably will have to talk to a lot more people in order to find your 3 or 4 people. I mean, you can go diamond in Live Good with 3 people. But what do we mean by 3 people?